Hello viewers, welcome to the Municipality of General Trias. The original name of the town was changed to General Trias in honor of General Mariano Trias by virtue of a law fathered by Emilio P. Virata during his term as a representative of Cavite. Changing the town's name to Malabon was approved, renaming the town after General Mariano Trias. Next is the St. Francis of Assisi Parish Church, or known as Simbahan ng General Trias. Is the first Catholic parish church in the municipality of General Trias, Cavite. The church is located at the Town Square Plaza of General Trias, formerly called as San Francisco de Malabon, in honor of its patron, St. Francis of Assisi. It was established by the Franciscans in 1611. It was transferred to the Jesuits in 1624 and eventually became a separate parish on September 09, 753. Now, let's feature Valenciana Festival and the famous Valenciana food of Gentreseños. Valenciana Festival is a local fiesta in honor of the Blessed Virgin Mary. It also showcases the local delicacy of General Trias, which is called Valenciana, a Filipino paella-like rice dish. The Valenciana Festival is one of the most awaited events in the locality of General Trias. The street dance competition and the Grand Parade of Floats were held in the city proper. Next is the Valenciana dish. Valencianas become part of the daily life of every Gentreseño, can be both at every carinderia and also in the market. Next is Lomi. Lomi is one of the best food in Gentry. You are probably wondering why there is Lomi in Gentry, but it comes from Batangas. Lomi in Gentry, Malabon is super famous because it is so delicious and full of toppings. Bernardo Food Corner is one of the best places for every family and friends because of the food and ambience. Next is Genty Milk Tea X Burger. Genty had many branches in the area of Cavite. Every Gentreseños knows this place very well. Genty is a cozy and relaxing place to chill, offered special milk tea flavors for milk tea lovers, with good, quality, and delicious choices of food. The cashier and the service crew are friendly. The crew made sure everything was well taken care of. Everyone enjoyed their own choices of milk tea flavors. Next is La Traviesa Resort. La Traviesa is a good place to spend vacation or the break from stressful week at work. The place is really for private parties and small gatherings of family and friends. Next is Hidden Vega. Hidden Vega Resort is a very affordable private resort, not big but enough for those who want to band. This resort is also great for a small party and for a family gathering. Next is Lovely Resort. This resort is huge. This is the place that is most visited because of the beautiful scenery and the area is big. It's little bit expensive but definitely beautiful. Next is AC Garden Resort. This resort is beautiful too because the resort was very clean. Next is General Trias City Park. This park gives us a wonderful environmental view which allows our minds and soul to get refreshed and gives us break to take a deep breath from all the stress and leave us the relaxing feeling we all need to have. Next is the Bayleaf Cavite. The Bayleaf Cavite is considered one of the highest structure in the peaceful town of General Trias. It is also located next to a very well-known university in Cavite, which is the Lyceum of the Philippines University. Bayleaf Hotel had a swimming pool and a room that you can relax. The Bayleaf Cavite has really stepped up the game in the terms of luxury accommodation in Cavite. This hotel is highly recommended to almost everybody, whether you are tourists with families, business people who are looking for a hotel on the quiet side of Cavite, and wanting to experience first-class service at its best. Definitely a hotel of choice for me. So what are you waiting for? Visit now General Trias to experience those foods and places. Thank you for watching!